Hello everyone. Today's special recipe is Nutri Chocolate Balls. You can make this dish within 15 minutes. So, for making this dish, let's prep up. We'll need 250 grams of grated dry coconut. Now, the second ingredient we'll need is Nutri Choice digestive biscuit. I have taken one packet that is of 100 grams and I have crushed it in a mixer. Now, transfer this into a bowl and add half a cup of cocoa powder. You can also add dairy milk or small pieces of chocolates that will add nice flavor to the dish. Now, our dry ingredients are ready. Now we'll add Amul Mithai Mate to the dish. We need to mix this very well. Add the Mithai Mate in a 2 proportion. Add some more if you don't get the perfect consistency. Let's make our hand dirty. We'll bind this well until it doesn't look perfect. Alright, so this looks amazing. Now we'll make small balls out of it. Now we'll coat this ball with a dry coconut. And we'll repeat the process with each ball. For making this dish more delicious and tempting, I have drizzled some hot white chocolate which gives amazing flavor to the dish. So, this recipe is ready within no time. You can enjoy this Nutri Chocolate Balls anytime, anywhere. See you until my next video. Ta-da!